charcoal distilled and undergo charcoal filtration. 40% of that.
So, actually,
for the Sevillana cask finish, it's inspired by the Sevilla orange of Spain. It's actually a blend of 5 to 14 years of rums.
this is super rare. You'll never find this in the Philippines. It is one of only 135 bottles that was bottled back in 2015. You'll never see this again. It's a 1979 single cask. So it's a shy cask, 35 years old.
They're usable blends, but we find them and we find some really good ones and they taste really cool. So we end up buying them and like they end up being like 31 years old, 27 years old.
So most people have never had the opportunity to make their own scotch before. So that's what we're trying to do at Whisky Live here. So what you have is the 5 different flavour profiles. You have fruity, floral, creamy, citrus and smoky. And people really have to try and make a balance between all 5 flavours and try and make Chivas 12. So it's really interesting, people sort of understanding the complexity of the blend and why we have 5 master blenders in our whole history helping create these wonderful products.
The founder, Kevin Plank, who also owns Under Armour, decided to start this craft brew. We haven't even officially launched here in the Philippines. It's our first time to join the Whisky Live. So you guys are one of the first people ever in the Philippines to try it.
A bottle from Glenmorangie. Congratulations to you. Charmaine Seal.
Oh, Philly.
Your creations.
Congratulations, guys.
Next year, definitely we want to expand the bar show section. We want to feature more local restaurants, local bars, local personalities, bartenders. That's the general direction, long-term wise. I think this is the biggest so far. I think it exceeded my own expectation. So hope you guys can visit next year and hope we can make it even better.